You'll often find that property managers complain about the fact that birds and mice have built nests within the dryer, venting, or bath fan assemblies, and for that reason we've created some safeguards that protect for that reason. On the larger caps, we've actually incorporated a pest barricade so birds and mice can't come in. We haven't done so on the louvered 4-inch, but we do have pest barricades that can be attached. This particular pest barricade will fit over any of the hoods and caps, and it gives you the option then of opening, cleaning, doing your maintenance, and closing it back down again. On some of our products, we've actually incorporated the pest barricade right into the cap. For example, on our wide mouth, we've actually incorporated a pest barricade that slides out, making it very easy to maintain and clean, popped back in, and away you go. Some of the old competitive product did have pest barricades on it, but if it's not properly attached, they become rather flimsy and over the course of time may simply fall off. One of the other possibilities that we've created is a louvered cap with a pest barricade that snaps on and snaps off. Again, all the same characteristics, polypropylene, pest barricade neatly fits. You simply pop that up to clean, do your maintenance, and you're back in business.